Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture top right corner in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture top right corner. Go to the insert menu. Then click the draw text box option and draw a text box over the page. Then go back again the insert menu. Then click the picture option. Then choose picture from our file and click insert. Then select the picture and resize some small. Then click the picture. Then press shift on our keyboard. Then select the text box. Then go to the text box option or shape format menu. Now I select the alignment option. Then select the align top, then align right, then click outside of the page, then select the text box and delete. Now we can see we make this picture alignment top right very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.